Yes, I want to ask two questions here, but very briefly. I want to ask Yorubas, where is Gani Adams? Where is Sunday Igboho, of the Yoruba nation? A lot is going down. Two Yoruba states are going down. They're already down, not that they're going down. They will see it in few months to come. Osun State and Ogun State, everywhere is full of Fulani henchmen. They are only there to grab the land, like we keep telling you people. All your farmers, Yoruba farmers, the cows are attacking their farms, eating up their crops without no regards of those henchmen that goes with the cows. They don't give a damn. They don't give a hoot. They just go as the cow, eat up the cow crops. Nothing will happen. And this is what they are doing. As they do it, they are buying people along the line. They are raping people. This is why we say Yorubas are bigots. Not that we are insulting you guys, but we are letting you know that you must not, because of political position, you start antagonizing people who are cleaning your environment, who are developing your environment, who are making you meaningful and being productive in your environment. I mean the Igbos. You guys keep attacking Igbos. Look at what the Fulanis are doing. Fulanis don't buy land from your place. They don't develop your land. They only bring their cows to eat up what you are planting, what you have planted in your land. And you do nothing just because you want to become a governor and you have contact with the North. You want North to vote you so that you become a governor so you can take shit for your people. This is what you guys are doing. Antagonizing and destroying, becoming a big-time bigotry against the Igbo people. When Igbos were shouting that Fulani henchmen were buying people, destroying their farms, you people thought it's a normal talk. When Buhari, the last regime, he came out just purposely to guide his Fulani henchmen to go and grab people's land, mostly from the east, but the east refused him. Till today and forever and ever, the Igbos will never allow Fulanis to encroach or to even reside there. They can come and do their business and get out. The Igbos don't need them to be there forever. Yes, and they cannot grab anywhere. So, but for the Yorubas, the Osun State, they say they want Sharia. Sharia, let me tell you something. All the Yorubas that are Muslims I know in abroad, they womanize. They do fraud. You understand? They drink alcohol. Most of them are drunkards. And when you touch them, they say haram. You don't eat pig meat, pork meat, but you drink alcohol. In Kano, they destroy Igbo people's business, alcohol, because they say that it's haram. What is nonsense haram? Haram, but you put alcohol in your kettle. The kettle you use to wash your body. You pour alcohol inside. When you go to wash your body, you drink alcohol and you come out and tell us that it's haram. We all know all these things that you guys do. But let me tell Yorubas, this is just for Yorubas. Gani Adams and Igboho, it is going down. Those Sharia law, they don't even regard you as a normal Muslim guy. They see you people as, you know what we call Osu. You guys are Osu of Muslim, Osu of Islam. That's the way they regard you people. They regard you as a second-class citizen in Islamic. That is the way the North see the Yoruba Muslims. Because even me personally, I don't believe in them. I don't trust them. Because most of them I know drink, womanize, alcoholic. They are everything. They eat everything. But they claim they are haram. If you eat and drink, what happens? The only way to, when it becomes a haram, for me, when it becomes bad, is when you become an alcoholic. When you take it in excess, then it's a sin. Not taking it. Every fruit you eat, every food you eat has alcohol inside. Do you get it? And your body needs it. Don't shy away from it. Yorubas, already, I don't have to tell you to open your eyes. It's already there. Since you people want to be skeptical in your behavior, you want to be erratic in your behavior and whatever thing you are doing, it shall come to you the way you want. Not me. I'm not laying a curse on you. I'm only telling you what is already going on. the hencemen are already in your backyard. And if you make film, hey bogi bulisi you banana, called bulugisi the banana. So you have to know all these things. You have to be smart. We have been telling you guys, you trust them. You trust them, but they don't trust you. Still, they do business with you. The way it is done in abroad, 6 plots of land, which is an acre of land, can plant everything that your cow can eat in 1 year and more than. You plant your grass, you let it dry, you harvest it, you pack it, you store it, and you transport it to wherever in the north you want to go. The same thing to groundnut, the same to anything that your cow eats. You must not come to the south to have your business done in the south. Since you people are destructive, you are not productive, you only destructive. That not the south don't need your type. Yorubas, take note, or note will take you. If una no want take note go take una. Very soon, na small thing, egburi isigi, etinye nye their cow go dey chop am. Since Abeokuta, you know wetin dey happen now. Na parts una dey sell, una go join una self, dey do am. Na una business, since una no wan put number 6 working for your people. I rest my case. This is what I have for you guys today. Thank you.